Get the bait.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh. Sit down.
Eating vegetable sushi with Logan and Garion. Even though Garion doesn't like
Yeah, he's not gonna eat it, but I am.
he doesn't like sushi.
Well, only the roll.
What roll?
The black. The
The one,
sushi.
the one that you make.
She doesn't make sushi.
Do sometimes.
What's it called?
I don't know what you're talking
See?
about.
Soy sauce?
The seaweed.
Oh, you just like the seaweed by itself?
Mm-hmm. Bye.
Gary, don't leave me.
What up, babe? Hold on. We have
Hello.
to show honey in the video.
She was like, "Hi guys."
Honey, come on, let's watch this video. Yeah.
Graham,
Oh, lay down.
Graham.
What?
What do you want to talk about? Well, Graham, what do you want to talk about?
I'm gonna go and get a
No,
snack though.
no, Graham, games. Wait, hold on. Let Graham grab his food. I wonder why they put the seaweed on the inside.
It's just another way to make sushi. You gonna have a snack?
No.
Who's your favorite Fortnite character?
Oh gosh, that's hard. Even though I don't play it, that's hard.
Me.
You.
No, I'm really great. Like Drift.
That's a skin, Logan, not a character in real life.
No, Fortnite character.
Skin. Can I pick two? DJ Under and the other girl. The first tier in the battle pass.
Mine would be. Probably what was it? 200,000 Drift?
Yeah.
No, the 200,000 EXP Drift.
That's a person?
The character.
The last
It's
stage
like
of
how
Drift.
he levels up.
The last stage of Drift.
Yeah,
I'm
he
almost on
looks
the last
cool.
stage.
You're
I'm
like
on the fourth
you're
stage.
like 25,000 points away.
No, not 25,000.
25 million.
No.
Billion.
50,000? Or something?
What?
100,000? Oh.
I ate too much wasabi.
Wasabi?
No.
Wasabi.
Spicy.
Okay. What's your most favorite video game character ever? Like out of all video games that you've played.
I would say all of these are Fortnite.
I really don't know. I think almost all the
So,
games that I play, I have a
DJ
favorite
out there and the
character.
other girl.
I don't know. I think all the games that I've played, the favorite character, I guess, will be almost the main character.
Dark Souls,
No,
Bloodborne,
no. Frisk from Undertale.
of course.
What's your favorite Mario game?
Oh gosh, there's so many.
Mm-hmm.
Super
Mario
Mario,
3D World.
Super Mario Maker.
Super Mario
Super
Maker.
Mario Maker is fun.
It is. It's like mixing all the Mario games. So kind of a lot of the Mario games together, but it's like a make your own.
Mm-hmm. Haven't played that in a long time.
I loved it because the first level I ever made was on the game Piranha Wilderness, I thought it wasn't gonna get a lot of stars, but it's gotten, in my opinion, a lot of good reviews. The level, people keep on playing it.
What? Which one?
Piranha Wilderness with all the piranha plants and the pipes.
Oh.
Remember that one?
No.
You're scared now.
Me and Daddy used to be so into that game. We wouldn't stop making levels.
Mm-hmm.
It was so fun. And now I'm gonna play it after this.
I'm gonna go play Fortnite.
You can play it in your room.
I have to play it on the Wii pad. I don't have to use the TV, so you can still use the TV. Oh gosh, this is spicy.
Why is it spicy? Did you use the green stuff?
No, it's just something inside of it, like an onion or something.
That's weird. It shouldn't be spicy at all. Mine was only spicy because I was eating the wasabi.
Oh, one of the vegetables inside exploded with it,
That's weird.
like an onion or something.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, my favorite actual Mario game, because I don't really think Mario Maker is like an actual one. Yeah, would be Super Mario 3D World. It's just so fun, right, Graham?
Mm-hmm.
Remember when you used to be in the bubble and I had to beat that one boss to save you? That was fun. Mommy, what's your most favorite game you've ever played?
You already know.
Wonder Boy.
Mm-hmm.
Second, Lost in Blue.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, she finally beat Wonder Boy after what, 20 years of playing it? Right, like almost your entire life playing it. It was so hard. It was really sad to watch her die again, and she's like, "Come on, so close."
I also didn't play it for more than a decade, or tried to beat it.
But now you can finally say you've beaten your first video game. Because I don't think Lost in Blue is ever gonna be. It's one of those games where it's like it'll go on forever to like see how long you can survive.
The game takes too long. I'm not gonna go through and start all over again.
Yeah, you were on your 56th day. And when I tried to play it, I was like, what am I doing? I couldn't even figure out how to make bobs. And accidentally one of the guys died, so I didn't even save the game. I just closed that, turned off DS.
Oh, cute.
I'm like, I just ruined her progress. Off.
Yeah, thanks.
Nope. Lost in Blue. Back.
That's why you should have started from the beginning, because if you start from the beginning, then it explains to you how to do everything.
So there's a girl and two guys.
So when you get further in, it gets confusing.
I bet. Like one, I found all these coconuts, but I think I figured out how to make milk out of it. So some kind of milk, somehow. I think I was mixing the coconuts with some berries.
Well, you're done eating, so say goodbye.
Well, I guess that was our tiny mukbang.
Yeah, mini mukbang.
Huh?
Mini mukbang with the broccoli boys.
Yeah, mini mukbang with the broccoli boys. So, bye. See you next time. I'll catch you in the next video.
Hold on.
Bye. Bye.